Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lay, and today I'm showing you this beautiful makeup look. Highlight on blinding, the camera can't even pick it up. There we go. Let's get to the video. First, I usually start off with the eyebrows, just brushing them up. Getting them nice and straight and all the hairs in the same direction. Next, I'm going to take a brown pomade and just warm it up with my hand first. And then start at the bottom of the eyebrow and then make a line at the top of the eyebrow. And then start at the tail and gradually work my way up, creating a gradient effect in the eyebrow. Then once I'm finished, I'm just going to use a spoolie to blend everything out and make sure everything looks nice and even and all the hairs are in the same direction. And after that, I'm going to put some concealer under my eyebrow just to clean everything up a bit. I usually put a lighter color at the bottom and then a color that's more of my skin tone at the end of the eyebrow, trying to blend it in, make sure everything looks nice and sharp. And after blending everything out, I usually use like a foundation color or a concealer that's more of my skin tone to kind of help shape the eyebrow without having that hollow effect. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to kind of blend all of that out and into the eyelid. Then I'm going to use a primer to kind of prime my eyelids before starting. I usually blend this out with my finger and then I take a translucent powder and there we go, and just kind of make everything a perfect base for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take a medium blending brush and put like an orange color to act as a transitional shade. Then I'm going to apply the lightest shade of blue I have. It's like an ocean aqua blue, just building that up on the eyelid. This is me not feeling it or not knowing how it's going to turn out. I never know how these things are going to turn out. I just be doing stuff and we'll go with the flow because this is natural. Like, you're not supposed to force anything. You can't copy a picture. You just have to go with the flow, whatever you feel. So next I'm just putting a darker, slightly darker shade under the eyelid. After everything is blended, I'm going to apply a black shade on the eyelid and kind of blend that out. Because the black is mixing with the blue, it's making it like a dark blue instead of an actual black. So I just repeat the process of just putting the black and then blending out, putting black and blending out until I get the result that I want. And for any extra fallout, I just use a baby wipe to clean it up and clean the area. Kind of make the straight line at the edge, all of that good stuff. Next, I'm going to put a light blue in the tear ducts of my eyes, kind of highlight those points. Then I'm going to go in with a black gel eyeliner and just darken it up a bit. As you see here, I'm applying some liquid eyeliner on the top of my eyelid, just creating a base for my wing eye on both eyes. And honestly, the wing eye is my favorite part of the entire process because nobody can tell me that my wing eyes don't be popping. Like, nobody. Like, nobody. Sis. It will cut you. I promise. And I'm just gonna apply some foundation next. Usually I don't apply foundation because I'm not really a foundation person. I don't like the way it looks on my skin. This is not my everyday makeup, but for the purpose of this video, I just put on foundation to match the look that I'm going for. Yeah, this is definitely not my everyday look, but that is for another video, so stay tuned. And I'm just going to use a giant fluffy brush to kind of blend everything out, get it nice and even. And then I'm going to add some concealer to my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, and try to get some color back into the skin. Then I'm just going to blend everything in with this light translucent powder. Kind of pat everything dry, get everything nice and blended and less shiny. Then I'm going to apply some mascara to my eyelashes before applying false lashes. And honestly, this is the longest process. I poke my eye like this all the time, almost like every time. Obviously, you see how used to it I am. But for right now, I am putting on some lashes. You don't really see too much of the footage because I have to get really close. So if you would like to see a separate video for lashes, please comment below and I can do that for you. Next, I'm going to apply some highlight. This is the crayon case. I absolutely love this highlight. Like, I love it with all my heart. I'm not even sponsored by them. I really, really love their product. A little goes a long way. Next, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip pencil and fill it in with a pink nude. And we are done with the final look. I'm going to add some earrings in, be a little special, a little extra, you know, a little bougie. And this is the final look. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Peace.